Okay, how you are seeing, they are making a small demonstration for you. He is working with the settings, with the stones. You can see how difficult is it to work. Precious stones, 4 categories: emerald, ruby, diamond, and sapphire. Semi-precious stones, you can see about 1,500 different stone categories. Okay. If you come off this. Hello, sir. Hello. Okay, if you come nearer to me. Before I forget it, we are also dealing here with international watches, like Raymond Well, Lacoste, Tissot, Rocket. Okay, I will give you just a small information about the certifications. You are getting 2 kinds of certifications in this shop. One is like this, it is just for plain gold. It's an international certification which you can use 5 years vacation. Okay, how you are seeing, and it's also 5 years guaranteed. Okay, in the
What did he say?
He said Turkey's better than Greece. I'm going to Turkey. He said got a friend.
No, it just
Welsh.
proves
I
it's
said
me.
I was Welsh. I said I was Welsh. He said a friend who stays over here for 6 months and he's like, I feel like.
Where's the guide? You wander around.
They're still wandering.
Yeah, I think so, yeah. Yeah.
It's cheaper. Something for 50 euro, 20 euro.
There's no exit there. Bodrum in Turkey. This is a shopping centre, the Aegean shopping centre. And this is various shops. Awesome. It's quite a big shopping centre. We're here as part of a tour, actually run by people who operate the hydrofoil service. This is a shopping centre. There are various shops. And down. There you go. There's shops. Oh, shopping centre. Very chic, very modern. All sorts, different types. This is some sort of staging area where they have concerts. It's called the Oasis Bodrum. Various different shops and restaurants. In the distance, go through things quite fast because there's so much to see. You've got to take it all in really. Stop it there. As you pan around the shops, we come to an old favourite. What's this? What can we see? Marks and Spencer in Turkey. Well, there you go. Maybe clothes by the looks of it. Shops. Shoes and handbags. Very nice. Rows and rows of these sort of pineapple looking trees. Rows. Right through there. Stop. Part of the tour. Right, so this is one of the main roads going through. Typical city. This is hustle and bustle. Very, very noisy. This is the Oasis shopping centre we've just come from. I'm going to be going back on the coach shortly and continue the tour.
Left side, amphitheater, you see?
Oh, amphitheatre.
Oh, right, okay. Yeah. Oh.
Right side, Bodrum Harbour Castle.
Cast